What's going down, my folks, and we back with another video. And before I get going, y'all, I want to say that this video is for educational purposes only. I am not advising so to do such, and I am not advising such to do so. But I love giving y'all stuff that y'all can use. If this information pertains to you, make sure you like it, save it, share it, because you might have to come back to it. You feel me? Now, y'all, if y'all haven't watched any of my stories, I've been telling everybody about the situations that I got going on. But this video, I just want to show y'all some of the exhibits that I'm using in my federal court case currently, as well as everybody do your own research. Like I said, we have to start being more in tune with what's going on. Stop being, so blind to the facts. Stop being afraid to gather the facts. You see what I'm saying? And defend yourself, period. Because it's too many things that are happening to the people and we not speaking up about it. You feel me? And I'm just not I'm not one of them. I'm not one of them to sit back and let something happen to me and not say something about it, let alone defend myself when it pertains to my property or, things of that nature. So, anywho, this is Exhibit B, I believe, and this is an opera request letter from the city of South Bend, y'all, saying that the body cam footage that I requested doesn't exist. They don't have any responsive records for dash cam or body cam worn footage. For either request, such footage is no longer retained. So we're using this as an exhibit in our case. This is going to be Exhibit C. This is Mitchum versus Foster, and which Title 42 U.S.C. 1983, which authorizes a suit in equity to redress the deprivations under color of state law. You feel me? So, yeah, this is another exhibit. Then we're going to use the First Amendment, y'all. It says Congress shall make no law respecting an establishment of religion or prohibiting the free exercise thereof, or abridging the freedom of speech or of the press, or the right of the people peaceably to assemble and to petition the government for a redress of grievances, y'all. That's going to be Exhibit D, y'all. Exhibit E is going to be 18 U.S. Code 1519, destruction, alteration, or falsification of records in federal investigations and bankruptcy. And this says, whoever knowingly alters, destroys, mutilates, conceals, cover up, falsifies, or makes a false entry in any record, document, or tangible object with the intent to impede, obstruct, or influence the investigation or proper administration of any matter within the jurisdiction of any department or agency of the United States, or any case filed under Title 11, or in relation to, or contemplation of any such matter or case, shall be fined under this title in prison not more than 20 years or both. Then we're going to use Rule 37, failure to make disclosure or to cooperate in discovery sanctions. And that's going to be Rule 37E, in which Rule 37E, y'all, is failure to preserve electronically stored information. If electronically stored information that should have been preserved in the anticipation or conduct of litigation is lost because a party failed to take the reasonable steps to preserve it, and it cannot be restored or replaced through additional discovery, the court, one, upon finding prejudice to another party from loss of the information, may order measures no greater than necessary to cure the prejudice, or two, only upon finding that the party acted with the intent to deprive another party of the information's use in the litigation, may A, presume that the lost information was unfavorable to the party, B, instruct the jury that it may or must presume the information was unfavorable to the party. Or C, dismiss the action or enter a default judgment. Damn, well, I don't even got to go any further. Even though I'm like deep off in they ass, but shit, this right here is it just sealed the deal. Y'all let me know what y'all think though. A lot of you lawyers out there who are practicing law and got your little bar card and all that and things of that nature. Let me know what you think, man. Tag your favorite lawyer.